This is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 3, Polokwane City North. My brother, how are you?
Fun and all, it's,
I'm fine, thank you. How do you feel about the game tonight? Today?
every day. There's one factor about Orlando Pirates is that we are winning each and every game.
Yeah,
We are
yeah.
so happy.
Yeah.
We are the happy people again, and this time we are taking all the trophies that is online.
Yeah.
All of them are taking there.
You want to start with MTN 8 on the 5th?
MTN on the 5th. I'll be there.
Yeah.
I'll be there.
Devin, did you buy the ticket?
Yeah, I've already have a ticket.
Yeah, yeah,
I'll be there.
Yeah, yeah.
With my son and my daughter. We'll be there in Devon.
Ah, beautiful, my brother. So do you think you're going to compete for the league this season?
Look, when we come to the league, there are only two teams that compete for the league. We know the other one, you know.
Yeah,
But
Sundowns.
right now, still they are struggling a little bit also. We are going to take this league.
What about Stellenbosch? Because they are also, one of the
No,
top.
Stellenbosch have been crippled, you know. Their key players are no longer there, you know. So they are not on the radar.
Yeah.
They are not on the radar. The only teams that will compete this year
Yeah.
is Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Forget about those ones that say they have been resurrected. Forget about them.
Yeah.
Come,
But
come January, they'll be at the 10th position.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
10th, that's where they belong.
No, thank you very much, my brother. All the
Thank
best
you.
in the final. Eh?
All right.
Hopefully you're gonna bring it back to Orlando.
You're welcome.
Thank you.